Step into the future of business with us, where AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer that's reshaping industries and unlocking unprecedented potential. In the realm of business, AI tools like ChatGPT, Descript, and Quillbot are not just futuristic gadgets, they're practical allies. ChatGPT can automate customer interactions and content creation. Descript transforms video content into text, and Quillbot polishes your communication to perfection. But here's the key. AI should be used responsibly. It's not about replacing the human touch, but enhancing it. These tools offer incredible support, but they shine brightest when complementing the creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking that only humans can bring. So, how do we leverage AI in the right way? Augment, don't replace. Use AI to take on repetitive tasks, allowing your team to focus on high-value activities that require a human touch. Maintain oversight. Always have a human in the loop to ensure AI outputs align with your brand voice and ethical standards. Personalize and humanize. Use AI to gather insights, but remember, personalization goes beyond algorithms. It's about truly understanding and connecting with your customers. Integrating AI tools responsibly into your workflow doesn't just boost efficiency, it enhances the creativity, innovation, and connections with your customers. AI is a powerful co-pilot, but remember, you're still the captain. Embrace the future responsibly and let AI elevate the work you already do today.